Hello my good people, we are going to start now. We are going to look on affiliate marketing and simple websites that will give you money within the first 1 week and motivate you to work from online or from where that you are just seated. The first website we will look is Family Clicks. This is a very simple website. It's a click website where you do some micro jobs, very small jobs, and by the end of the day you get your dollar in your account. They pay very easily through PayPal, Skrill, and also your MasterCard or your Visa. So just try it, go through it, and make sure you understand. Survey has very small and good jobs. So number 2, you look on a website like ClickBank. ClickBank don't require anything, just require to come here with your connection, with your smartphone or anything, just something that is accessing internet. And after that, come and sign up. Go and sign up about this website. Go and fill your country, or your phone number, your email address, and accept terms and conditions. Then join the ClickBank. You're provided with an affiliate marketing. They are going to advertise all their commodities under the shop. I will see their product categories. There's art, there's TV, there's e-marketing, there's games, there's parenting and families. You can market all these products. All these products, you can market them depending on your niche. What do you like best? What do you think your social or your network goes with? If you want to advertise them on vibration jumping, start. Hope this one is a very awesome website. So on the next page we are going to look at cj.com. It's an affiliate marketing. It's a very huge market of affiliates. Consists of more brands, more opportunities, more growth. You can see they have over 1.8 billion annual publisher commissions, and also they have an endless opportunity. They have 4.8 relationship created every year. Have all those is a very huge website. They are real people. They will pay you. You earn some good cash from these. Go to their publisher, check the overview. Check who are they, or their story, so that you can be able to understand who are they, what they are working. Those man of questions. Where are they located, leadership, all those, and some question and answers there. So let us look on the next website. This is the Warrior Plus. This is one of my best website, man. This is the best I have worked in. The really pays. It's just true to the point. You can withdraw your money daily. It's a very good website. So if you are struggling here and there, just consider using this website. It's a very huge website. It's a very profitable website. You can start with and just do some jobs here and there. Your affiliate, just drop your affiliate all through your social media, your accounts, your emails, And also there is a good website here also, the Quora. The Quora is a platform for QA website where you post a question and answer, and it's a very good website to gain your traffic to go to your affiliates market. Yeah, you can drop your links here from these different websites and you will have a good traffic to your affiliates and you make a lot of good money. You can consider also coming to my website here. This is my website. Yeah, if you consider starting your website is good, you can have this Google AdSense, then you have your website all through. It's a very good website if you just consider on making some website. This is freelancer.com. I also do some jobs here. They will give you some good amount of money, from $8 to $10, $50+. Then if you're a content writer, this is a good project for you. So we have and also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. Job seekers. So I post here. I post some relevant materials here that you can pick throughout the day. Thank you for your time.